Alright guys, this is Adams for Peace, and this is the noise my car is making. Alright. It's not that easy to explain, it's just, it's a vibration. I can feel it sometimes under my feet, sometimes I can't. I don't know. I've had both hub bearings replaced twice. The noise just won't go away. And it really starts to show itself about 35, 40 miles an hour. It seems as though it gets louder every time I speed up. But sometimes it seems like it maxes out volume at 50 miles an hour. But then again, I was just on the highway, so I don't know. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. Thanks.